today I'm gonna do unboxing of my new Chanel handbag, and I'm gonna chat with you guys about Chanel price increase, and I think my opinion will be very unpopular. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana, and today I want to share with you unboxing of my new Chanel handbag. I got this bag one day before the price increase, so I'm gonna do unboxing right away, and then I'm gonna chat with you how I actually got it, the new system at Chanel, and I'm gonna talk also about the price increase at Chanel and my very unpopular opinion. And ta-da! There you go, guys. I got myself Chanel rectangular mini in red color. If you follow my channel, you know how long I want to get red color handbag, but somehow it's never worked out. But I'm so glad that I was able literally snatch this handbag before the price increase. So what's happening? I contacted my SA a few days before the price increase, and I said, listen, there is a rumors that price will be increased very soon. She says that's absolutely correct. Actually, the price increased in Canada this Thursday, I believe it was March 14th. And I said, okay, what if I want to buy before Thursday? Can I actually buy before Thursday on old prices? She says, yes, absolutely you can. We have new systems. You contact your SA, you say what kind of handbag you want to buy. If the bag is available, we can send you link, you can pay through that link, and we will ship the item directly to your home. And that's what we did, and I got this beautiful Chanel mini rectangular handbag. So that's what happened. I'm gonna quickly show you this handbag a little bit closer, and then I'm gonna chat with you about my very unpopular opinion on the Chanel price increase. So let's see. So I'm gonna come a little bit closer to the camera, and I hope that the camera will pick up the true color of this red, because it's really red. It's kind of like a scarlet red. So anyway, I'm gonna come closer to the camera and show you this beautiful handbag. So I completely remove any lighting, and that's the color. The hardware is light gold or champagne hardware. So that's the authenticity card. Guys, please ignore my nails. There you go. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So glad. Let me just do a little bit of lighting. Absolutely perfect. I'm so glad that I was able to get this beauty just before the price increase. Absolutely gorgeous. Before I continue, I would like to ask you guys, if you like my channel, if you visited my channel already several times and considering subscribing, please hit that red button. It's exactly as red as this handbag. Hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. Please join my family, because I definitely want to see you again on my channel. So let's continue. So I'm assuming that my modeling shots are running, and while my modeling shots are running, I would like to chat with you guys about a recent price increase. And I watched already zillions of videos on YouTube, and mostly everybody saying, oh my gosh, how Chanel could do that to us, you know, in such a difficult times. They're increasing prices. Before it was a Louis Vuitton, and now it's a Chanel. It's crazy. Chanel didn't get any support from the government. They said that they're gonna pay their workers from their own pocket, but now they're increasing the prices. So at the end of the day, it's actually average people who is paying for their workers' salary, and for Chanel, etc. They're bad people. La da 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 da, the whole story. And here comes the kick. I don't know, I'm most likely gonna get zillions of hates, but I disagree, guys. I really disagree, because what I'm trying to say, if you're a person who is experiencing very difficult time right now financially, you are not thinking of Chanel, you're not thinking of Louis Vuitton, and I'm 99% positive you're not the person who were thinking about Chanel before the price increase. And organizations such as the Chanel or Louis Vuitton or any large organizations, when it usually comes to this kind of pandemic crisis, etc., they donate zillions of dollars to charity. And if you are fortunate enough to even considering buying Chanel handbag, even if you have to save for that handbag for several months, you're still a fortunate person. Like, I consider myself very fortunate person that I work hard enough in my life that I actually can obtain such a beauty, that I'm able to pay for such a beauty. And maybe part of my money will go to support to other people. And when it comes to such a rich organization and powerful organizations as a Chanel, I believe it's good that we have such organization and such a people in our life, because they give thousands and thousands of jobs to people around the world. And yes, we as the consumers definitely gonna pay that part of the salary, but I'm okay with that as long as I'm getting really good customer service. When it comes to price increase in general with Chanel, they usually do it twice a year or once a year, so it's nothing really new. It's nothing really new that they are increasing prices. Many people upset that this price increase came at the bad time. And I'm somewhat agree, the price increase came at the bad time. But let's say if the price increase would have come at the good time, will you be still happy? No, you would have been still unhappy and a little bit maybe pissed off, as I am right now. Am I happy that I have to pay more for Chanel? Definitely no. Am I happy and feel blessed and fortunate enough that I actually even considering buying Chanel handbag? Definitely. And if part of my money will go to some charities, or if part of my money will go for the payment for their good employees, why not? The other point I want to bring, why we always think that Chanel is a good investment. The reason for that, because they are always increasing their prices. So that's why you know that it's a good investment. And I will give you the price. I purchased this handbag literally a couple of days ago before the price increase, and in Canadian dollars it's $4,250 before taxes. And I asked my SA what is the price of this handbag as per today, and it's a 5,000 Canadian dollars, obviously plus taxes. I asked her about also medium large classic flap. Before the price increase in Canada, medium large classic flap was $7,150, and the new price $8,650 before taxes. Crazy. I got myself a Chanel classic flap. I have it in black. I think it was about 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago. I paid $6,150. So 2 years fast forward, it's $2,500 more. So therefore, yes, it's upsetting that they're increasing the prices, but it's definite good point that it's a good investment at the end of the day. You know that one day in 5 years or so, if you want to sell your handbag, at least you're gonna get your money back. Maybe even if you're lucky, you're gonna get some profit. So, you know, it's like, you know, 50-50. You may like it, you may not like it, but the bottom truth is that, you know, when they are increasing these prices, it's not only negative news, it's also positive news for many people around the world. Am I thinking that I'm gonna buy Chanel in the future? And once again, it's all depends on their income. And if I continue to be fortunate enough to make enough of the income and I want to treat myself, definitely I will buy myself a new Chanel handbag. So I want to know what you think of my opinion. I think maybe you're gonna be unhappy or disagree with my opinion. Nevertheless, I want to know your opinions. Please comment below and say if you think I'm right or wrong. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I definitely want to know your opinion. I want to know what you think of my new red Chanel handbag. I want to know your opinion once again about Chanel price increases. And if you like the video, please don't forget to give me likes, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye bye.